Yeah, it definitely is. It is. When you're meshing those two worlds, as we call it, when you're meshing those two worlds to give people a proper understanding is that you don't have to have one without the other.
Mhm.
Like, you should have Jesus, you should have your faith, you should have your relationship with God, but you can also have um, therapy. You can also have counseling. You can also have something that intertwines with you being healed faithfully and spiritually. That can also help you mentally and physically. Because when you're mentally stable, your physical body feels better.
Mhm.
You go to the doctor all the time and they ask you, do you stress? Well,
Mhm.
stress causes physical damage, but that's an emotional and mental symptom. It's not stress is not a physical symptom, but it causes physical damage. So it's the same way, spiritually and mentally, you do need to be whole. And so these things work hand in hand.
Yeah, absolutely. It's all integrated together.